New Jamaican broadcast channel, keeping you informed on our day-to-day happenings on our Little Rock, Jamaica. Fire water with it. As you can see, the fire is on top of the water, keep burning. No oil, no gas, it's natural.
Tucked away in the garden parish of St.Ann, Jamaica, lies a pool of water referred to by many as fire water. But what is it about it that makes eyes open wide in disbelief and hands reaching out to touch this water? Yes, it is for real. The living fire burns on top of the water in only one particular part of the almost circular pool of warm running water.
How we know it would lit on fire is our great grandmother was the first one trying to burn away a wasp nest from a citrus tree. Fire drop into the water and ignite, and she run and tell her parents that ghost is down here, the water is on fire. Her parents tell her no, this is where the ancestors comes around and get their healing whenever time they get wound. We got scientists came here drilling it, looking for oil and gas, they didn't find any. See, they are in the water.
Never before in the history of Jamaica has this been seen. Community members attest that scientists as far as from Italy have visited the small district of Windsor Road in St. Ann's Bay to research from whence, why, how, and where this fire comes, burning boldly on top of the water. They have digged up to 50 feet deep below the water where the fire burns, trying to locate the source to no avail, said Amid Chambers, otherwise known as Kevin. He grew up and still lives on the property on which the pool of water runs. The land, he said, was inherited from his grandparents. This is how it works. A lighter or matches is used to light a portion of the water that immediately rises ablaze, burning non-stop unless outed. And if you dare try to touch it, it physically burns you. Nevertheless, persons are able to dive below the water with the fire above without being burnt. Fire water, as it is popularly called, is being hailed as healing water. With its warm, salty, and bitter taste, it has been orally absorbed by visitors and locals alike. Persons actually lay in the water meditating, while some even gets a massage. Others uses the section of the water where the fire burns to pour on various parts of their bodies that may need wellness. Is it a believe kill or believe cure situation? Those who have had the fire water experience never relented in relaying their feeling of relaxation and wholesomeness. Hence, it remains to be seen as a place of healing and meditation. Yet, as Jamaica grows in the global arena, it is hoped that this natural conservation be preserved and protected to avoid capitalistic ventures that would cause the salt to lose its savor.